Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### Python floats and complex numbers tutorial. In Python, floats are used to represent decimal numbers, while complex numbers are used to represent numbers with both real and imaginary parts. Let's explore both concepts. ### floats. Floats in Python are represented by the float data type. They can be created using decimal numbers or by using the float function to convert integers or strings to floats. ### complex numbers. Complex numbers in Python are represented by the complex data type. They consist of a real part and an imaginary part, both of which can be floats. ### arithmetic operations. Both float and complex numbers support arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Floats and complex numbers are powerful data types in Python that allow you to work with a wide range of numerical values. Understanding how to create and manipulate them will be beneficial in various mathematical and scientific applications.